Hello everyone, how's it going today? Today I will show you about how to create a games using C and C++. So C and C++ is a strong language for the high performance. So in the dozens of years ago, and everyone used C++ for deploy every app using today for the high performance and the high resolution. So in the complex game, so in the back end we use the C++ for the high performance and high resolution. So today I will guide you about how to use the C and C++ game framework for build an easy game, you know. And in the framework we have a lot of framework. For example, we have Unity, Unreal, the Cocos, and a lot of things. So, but in the C and C++, we have the Coco framework and Unreal Engine is very strongest engine for creating games. So, in this video, I will show you how to use the C++ Unreal game engines for create a simple games. As you can see, C and C++ we have the game mode character, the game mode, the hook, and project type class, and this is the project game mode. So as you can see, yes, as you can see, is either the project game mode assemble. As you can see, that the initial game properly and a lot of function there. And in the level check, we will implement primary game module for we add the three parameter, the game mode, default, the map, and the project name and project object. And in the character, this is the class character for you for my project for to the sampling create easy game. So in the constructor we create a collection cache, custom and set the L23 for the input, and we create a camera component. And so you can see in the every game you just need to create a camera component for you can set up the front, you can set up the opposite, or a lot of camera component view projector for your project. And in the next we create the mesh component. The next component we use the ambient view from the first person view and just to create again mesh component. And this is the gun object, you know and we just set the location, and after that you set the default set from the character location for the projectile for the spore. Just that the projectile class is character mask and the blueprint for mask in the first, the antigen, and the virtual realistic gun. Other say in the right, the blurring essence and the marker to avoid the direct constant reference in the C++. And in the next, you just to create a virtual realistic controller. In an MVC model, you just to have create one control, only one controller for your model. From the model and view, the controller between model and view for the parsing data and receive the request from the model from the view and resend model to the model and in the behavior from the model to view. We have one and only one object for the virtual realistic controller. One and just only one. Yeah. And in the next step, we just to create some object for your character. For example, the gun and the mask component, and we just to set relative rotation for your object. And either between play, we just to create a superclass, and superclass will point to the between play function, and the next switch is to add tag the next component to scaling. If you don't know about the scaling behavioral function, you just to see in the OP design buttons series in my YouTube channel. And next you just show and hide the two version on the game based on the whether or not using the motion control. And input we use some keyboard for do the input controller. It's mean the camera will receive the keyboard from the user and uh, forward the signal for the model use via the controller. And five for use it on five the jump, reset, move forward, right back, turn to right, and look up right. So on five we have this element on five, and we call on five method in there. So now we just on five and found some physical animation for your model. And this is on the reset between the task and end task and move forward. So now we will go through the the an example for this framework. As you can see in this framework, you can to move out the projector, you can control a lot of things in there. You can control the most landscape for the across editing, and you can snap, or you can choose blueprint language or your C++ language. But I'm an embedded system engineer, so I had appreciate you to C and C++ for you. So and let's go. We'll get a model. Now we can jump. When we push into the backspace, the model can jump, and the projector will change. And based on the accelerate and the velocity, we can change the model based on accelerate and velocity. So that's okay. This video I will go through the C++ game framework for you, and in the next video I will combine this upload code for the mobile device. Thank you everyone for watching this video.